Hi kids! Are you ready for a super fun, super clean adventure? Let's join Toby and his magic toothbrush, Sparkles. Chapter 1: The Sleepy Little Monster. Every night, Toby felt so sleepy after a long day of playing. But when Mama said, "Time to brush your teeth," Toby groaned. Do I have to? But tonight, something magical was about to happen. Chapter 2: Sparkles the Toothbrush. As Toby looked at his toothbrush, it suddenly wiggled. "Hello," said a tiny little voice. "I'm Sparkles, the super toothbrush, and I need your help." Toby gasped. "Help? With what?" Sparkles twirled proudly. "There are sugar bugs hiding in your mouth, and together we will brush them away." Chapter 3: The Sugar Bag Mission. Toby opened his mouth wide. Sparkles leaped into like a superhero. "Let's start brushing the top teeth. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Now the bottom teeth. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh." Toby giggled. Sparkle was ticklish and super fun. Chapter 4: The Swirly Rinse River. "Great job!" Sparkles cheered. "Now let's rinse." Toby took a cup of water and swished it around like a rushing river. Swish, swish, swish. He spit into the sink. "All sugar bugs defeated," Sparkles declared. Chapter 5: The Shiny Tooth Surprise. Toby looked in the mirror, and wow! His teeth sparkled like a tiny stars. Mama smiled and said, "Toby, your teeth look amazing." Toby grinned proudly. "I'm a tooth brushing hero now." Chapter 6: The Morning Mission. The next morning, Sparkles woke Toby again. "Time for our morning mission." Toby jabbed up the brush in the little circles, then the big circles, then up and down. "Mission complete," Sparkles said. Chapter 7: A Super Smile Every Day. From that day on, Toby brushed his teeth every morning and night. He knew Sparkles was always cheering him on, and Toby's smile became the brightest in the whole neighborhood. Whenever he smiled, it looked like just like sunshine. The end. Remember, kids, brushing your teeth every day keeps sugar bugs away and gives you a super bright, super healthy smile.